Ours is out. We have double black past the begin. Eric the Viking moving upon the yards. And now is I'm coming. Dina Lupiham, Nicole Angel, Okatokat, Money Talks. Then followed by Specialist and El Mundo is the early trailer. I'm coming. Running on the outside. Double black is running by the rail. Dina Lupiham is watching in third. Okatokat in fourth. Eric the Viking is racing in fifth, and in sixth, Nicole Angel, Money Talks, Specialist, and El Mundo is still racing in last. I'm coming, double black, fighting it out for the leader. Dina Lupiham now trying to get closer in third. Here comes Okatokat coming closer in fourth. Eric the Viking, Nicole Angel, Specialist, El Mundo, and Money Talks. I'm coming, still the leader by only 2 lengths. Here comes Dina Lupiham now coming closer in second. Okatokat in third. Nicole Angel and Specialist. And it's still I'm coming. Dina Lupiham, Okatokat, Nicole Angel. I'm coming. Dina Lupiham, Okatokat, Nicole Angel on the outside. It's now Dina Lupiham over I'm coming. Nicole Angel on the outside. Dina Lupiham. I'm coming, Nicole Angel, and finally, Dina Lupiham. I'm coming, Nicole Angel, close, Specialist, Okatokat, 6. That's Money Talks.
This program is brought to you by Liver Marine. Liver mo, sagot mo!
Tingnan po natin ang quarter clockings ng ating